Welcome to Milani's Fun with Thermi. So today we're cooking tomato pasta with vegetables and feta, and we're going to use the Varoma in this lovely dish. So let's start cooking. Firstly, 1 carrot cut into pieces. Next, a brown onion. We can't do onion, so I'll do celery. Then 1 garlic clove. We can't do garlic, so you can omit that, or you can put 6 garlic cloves in if you really like garlic. Then we're going to chop that up in 3 seconds. Within 3 seconds, it's all chopped up, but there's 1 or 2 naughty carrots that's not cut. So we're just going to repeat that step. I'm going to scrape down the sides and just do that again. So now, let's have a look. Within 6 seconds, that is all chopped up nicely. So now, just going to pop that carrots in as well. Scrape down the side, so we just move everything down to the bottom again. And now we're going to add the olive oil. Remember to always tear before you start pouring. So as we pour, it's going to weigh the olive oil up 1 over. That's okay. And next, we're going to place the simmering basket instead of our measuring cup. And cook that for 3 minutes. So whenever you go above 95 degrees, put your simmering basket instead of the measuring cup as a safety measure. Alright, so next we're going to add in some water. We've cooked the carrot and the onion. Remember to tear your scales. 400 grams of water. There we go. And next, 2 tins of canned tomato. Just going to tip that in there. Then we've got 30 grams of tomato paste. Oh, lots of flavor. And 2 teaspoons of vegetable stock. It's still warm. I've just made the vegetable stock. Teaspoons in there. Now, I'm going to place the Varoma on top. We'll need the lid first, and then place the Varoma on top. And then we're going to weigh in, or place in, let me put it down here, your red capsicum. So we'll pack that at the bottom there. Just make sure there's holes in between so your steam can come through. Then zucchini. So if you want to weigh it, you can pop it on top and weigh it in as you're putting it inside. I'll just pop that in there. 200 grams. All round about. So I only did half a capsicum, and I did a big zucchini. So whatever you've got would work. Then we're going to place the tray in as well. Now I'm going to pop the rest of my zucchini on top. Then we're going to add the frozen green peas. Just pop that on the top. Actually, I'm going to add all the zucchini in the bottom. So the peas and then mushrooms. So this was a 200-gram packet. It should be right. As well as your feta. So we're fitting in a lot of vegetables in this one. I'll pop the feta on the side. I'm just going to make a few holes. Let me place it in. So I'm just seeing that there's a few holes for the steam to come through. Make one there, make one there. And then we're going to season the vegetables with, I'm not going to put extra salt in. You can always add salt afterwards. We're going to do a teaspoon of oregano. Just over your veggies, the top and the bottom one. And then also a teaspoon of dried thyme leaves. And thyme. The more thyme, the better, right? Not when it comes to cooking, the less time, the better. There it goes. Then we're going to secure our lid. And next we're going to cook that for 9 minutes. So our liquid with all that flavor is going to come to a boil and then start steaming all these vegetables at the top. Alright, so that's been steaming for a bit. Let's remove the Varoma. This is nice and warm inside and nice and tomatoey. We're going to add the pasta. 350 grams of pasta. They say penny or fusilli. I'm putting the curls in because I can. And I'm just going to press them down so they're under the fluid. And we're going to put the Varoma back on top. And cook the pasta on the bottom and steam the veggies at the top for another 10 minutes. All right, let's have a look. Look at that steam coming out. Yummy. Look at those vegetables. I don't know if you can see there. I just want to test the pasta and see if it's cooked enough. I'm going to fish out a pasta. You can always make the cooking a little bit longer if your veggies or your pasta is not cooked enough. I reckon that's done. So now we combine pasta, vegetables and feta and serve immediately. Right, let's get this pasta served. Ooh, look at that nice sauce. Gonna add the vegetables on top. This makes heaps. It's a huge dish. And then combine it all. Combine and serve. I might add a bit of bacon to this, or you can change your vegetables, whatever suits you and your family. There we go, vegetable tomato pasta.